It's reached its maximum height on the KU band. It's making a sweep. It started from the bottom left with the LMB pointed down, and now it's coming up to the last sweep here before it starts a new cycle soon. Over here I'm running the program, it finds my signals. But here it's going to go up. I think this should be level 21 times, which makes the highest it can go before that swivel starts to go into the eye loop. So it's as high as it can go, which is like, I think 55 degrees on there. Okay, so it's going to swing across. Well, I've already missed some of the frequencies because I wasn't looking at the screen. But my point is this is just showing the kind of loop I'm on. It goes left to right, raises 1 degree. It goes right to left, raises 1 degree. Until it reaches 21 degrees from the bottom to the top, which makes it, or 35 degrees at the bottom, 55 degrees at the top. It just reached 55 degrees, which is 1,000 steps on the y-axis times 20 repeats. So 20,000 steps to make a 20-degree arc in the elevation. From left to right, it's 25,000 steps for 0 to 180 degrees. I'm getting some. Those are 12.2 gigahertz signals. They're pretty common. That's Q spectrum analyzer running with a Limesdr-Mini, and it's picking. That's probably DirecTV satellite right there. It was just close to it whenever it was doing it. The strong signals. If I switch it, if I uncover the 18 gigahertz LMB, because I got the middle one's 12 gigahertz and the two outer ones are 18, but that left port that's uncovered is not in use. The right port is in use, but I got covered up to limit it so it doesn't interfere when I'm over here. But if I covered up the middle port, the 12 gigahertz, so I had the 18 to 20 gigahertz range, there'd be less frequencies and probably less satellites, less signals. Anyhow, tell me what you guys think. What can I use this for? How can I make a heat map of the sky? Endless cycle.